Hey, this is Mia. I'm an embodiment facilitator and movement teacher, and today I want to give a testimonial to Eeshi-Ra for her course Shifted, that teaches you and that taught me how to use my own voice to create transformation and change in my life. And for me, as a movement teacher and somebody who's really connected to their body, really move a lot and actually use movement to clear energy and really shift myself, I feel this course gave me like a missing link, gave me something that I was not aware of at all, which was or is my voice, and really using my voice to open up my body, open up from within, and to shift my vibration. And because of this vibration shift, I'm more frequency matched to what I want. And I love that it's not just like a mental thing. You sit down and you think of things you want. No, it's actually you sounding and you tuning. You're using your voice to tune into the frequency of what you desire and what you want. And this is what Eeshi-Ra is taught me in the course, and it's so powerful. So it's really like taking action, taking the right action, not just like mentally thinking of something, but really feels the shift in my body. And when I feel it, I can create it. If I feel it, it becomes real for me. And what I also love is that it's something that it's empowering. It is a powerful tool that you can use on your own, and I don't have to rely on anybody else. So this is like truly empowering, and these are things that I look for. Like, what can I learn that I can use on my own? So what happened after like 4 weeks of like almost everyday sounding and using my voice is that I'm definitely more clearer, because it's about using the voice to clear energy out and also to harmonize with what I want, harmonize with my being. And so I literally see more possibilities. There are more people approaching me, new clients coming in. I see my path clearer. Yeah, more money is coming in, and there is a lot of things now kind of like in the pipeline to this point. But that definitely has shifted, and I feel, which is really important for me, I feel more connected to myself. And then from here, I can create more. So let's see what I create in the next 4 weeks. And then after this, I definitely will continue using my voice, and I can just highly recommend the course. So I hope this is helpful. Sending you love and enjoy.